Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the Football Critics. It's your boy Renas, and I'm joined by my co-host, Mr. Tantam Team. My boy. Now, you see, here's how I want to start this video, né? And yeah, boy, lang we are connected in 20 years, you know, where I come from, what you give credit to its due, you know. I'm sitting here and I'm watching Orlando Pirates, and I'm like, okay. Coach, I can see what you're doing, and yeah, man, you know, looking at this game or looking at the starting 11, I don't want to say I had concerns, but I had isn't Desiree Zamaipros, and I was like, okay, today he went to Holto instead of Fundaba, you know, he went Mufukeng, Kalusa Police Napantli. I wanted to see absence Yagambogazi again. So there's a lot of things that I wanted to like look at, just check a balance, you know, and I must say, the guy knows what he's doing. I'm looking at how Orlando Pirates is now. I'm talking about Umremi there. Taking force, especially taking force. I'm looking at Umremi. I'm looking at Umbula. I'm looking at Urele. This chemistry and I wanna say there's nothing as dangerous as playing against the team and I'm a player as I'm confidence. What do I mean? I'm looking at the way Lamachita to mention Mfukeng, your Mremi. I mean, in the first half, I saw them doing it 10, doing a no look pass. And I was like, you don't want to face a team like this. Because of a team like this, first of all, has chemistry. A team like this, second of all, is enjoying what it's doing. And a team like this, thirdly, it's unstoppable. It's unstoppable. And again, I'm looking at the fact that yes, these guys don't have a Champions League. And I'm like, we might just see a similar story to what happened with Liverpool last season, whereby they had a coach, Jurgen Klopp, who had been there, who was winning a cup, but a league, and then Wahamba came in Arne Slot and just hit the ground running and won the league. And I think we might just see the same thing. I'm not jumping the gun, but I'm looking at what he's doing, and I'm like, you know what? He might just achieve what Yos has been trying to achieve in terms of like chasing the league. He might just do it. Take into consideration that this guy doesn't have a Champions League. You understand? It might be a way of them saying, you know what? Last season we came close and we couldn't because of maybe you can say we had the fatigue Champions League. We're demotivated because of our coach announced that he's gonna leave before the season could even end. But this season they're like, you know what? We have nothing to lose. Even if Bangas kick out of Nedbank Cup and be like, you know what, here's our mandate, they might just take it. Just tell me, dog, what you think about today's game, boy.
Yeah, okay. Mina from a from a results point of view, obviously, a 2-0 win at home against the Chipa is it's a good win. Yeah, well, it's something you'd expect us to do. But Mina, I wasn't particularly happy with the performance, if I'm being totally honest.
Okay.
Firstly, the midfield duo I started, Umbata, no Nemtajela. As good as they are profile-wise individually, I don't think they're complementary because muscle pets Ebola, whenever Umbata has Ebola, him and uNemtajela, they are too far apart from each other. Yabo, uthola uNemtajela manje angisamqondi ukuthi udlala as i-80 or udlala as i-10 because uvele umthole engemuva kwe-press yelokhunja ye-Chief, and then there's too much space futhi la midfield and kublockekile. So what happens is Umbatha tends to go back emuva, and then mase sisidlala emuva, obviously bazoza nokusipressa, and then now we have to play the long ball. And this team is not equipped for a long ball. It happened too much kulokhunja kwi-first half leon, and it was frustrating me. Yiyo into edala ukuthi singakori first half, kungabi khona lutho, yabo. And futhi second half, you take out Umbata, you bring in Emakaula, someone who's also not willing ukuthi like centrally taking Okonja irresponsibility to bring the ball forward. Now ayisekho i-central progression now. Yabo, kuze kwangcono sekungena uLokhunja uDlamini, someone who's a midfielder okwaziyo ukulicela ibhola, I'll receive and bring it forward, yabo. So nje mfethu ukuthi when you win games, everything seems rosy, everything seems like kumnandi kuyashelela, yabo, until iLokhunja another team punishes you, yabo, and then you lose the game, and then yabo kungabi mnandi. So I had concerns ngaleyo nto. We were lucky ukuthi we were playing a cheaper side that did not punish us because they had moments, yabo.
Yeah.
So that was my concern.
Apart from praising, coming to our concerns, I want to start with this one. Into frustrated about Orlando Pirates. So apart from praising, whatever, né? What frustrated me about Orlando Pirates, especially in the first half, is yes, the guys were brutal with the position. The guys were brutal with just the dominance overall. But what frustrated me is link up lawa abakhona those combinations, but decision making in the final third. I feel like they were trying to overcompensate decision making in the final third. You look at okay, but now when it's time to kill, you understand? Because of sometimes you might sorry about that. Sometimes you might be that brutal, you might be controlling game like that, but just because of not killing all your chances, just because of you not doing what's right to go final third, the team might, my opponent might just score a goal and just win 1-0. You understand? So what frustrated me was there wasn't much of a supply for Mbutuma. Yes, I feel like Mbutuma wasted my balls here and there, but what I didn't like is Amachita be well Zala. Masaso upon with D-line. It's like, guys, now you have to kill. And they don't. You understand? You look at Umbulu Safunu Chanaganing, you look at Umre Musafuna, you understand? So that's what frustrated me. And again, I hear your concerns with the midfield, which is valid, you understand? But from what I'm seeing is I see in Orlando Pirates Uchi Nanoma Izoba Nama difficulties. This team always finds a way to score goals. This team always finds a way to kill the game. You understand? I mean, you look at the way second half is going. I feel like the second half performance Orlando Pirates to second half. You understand? Compared to how they started the game. And if the performance is uba concerned, yes. But you look at the bench and the coach says what? You know what? Police in. Mufuke come back to midfielder. So what he's doing is he's not destabilizing a attacking force, but we maintain it because if he brought in a police and then not on to in the midfield. So yes, some concerns will always be there, but what I'm glad about is this club always finds a way to score goals. They understand you value the more Kulman Wuti Umbat and Nemtajela. You know, they still have to build that chemistry. You understand? They still have to build that chemistry because of at some point I could see them Bame pushing a straight line, you understand? From Bulen and Tajela to Mbat, and I'm like, gents, if Ipola Lely, cheaper just a quick transition to the sides, you guys are done. You understand? Because of Bullet doesn't have a pace. Mbata doesn't have a pace. So I saw which it's things that they need to fix because of if you're playing another team and we as expose Aganjalo, you're showing another team good okay, any teams will punish. You understand? Yeah. Any teams will punish. And what I like most is the chemistry, man. You know, these guys being able to find each other in the right spaces. You understand? So it's that thing, Yoguti, they just need to polish up in the way go final third. That's my only concern about Orlando Pirates. Go final this team is capable of scoring 4 or 5 goals today. Let me just say today. They could. It was possible. You understand? So it's just fixing most of those things, most of those things, especially midfield. And I don't know, how do you feel about Makaula coming back because of he's been missing for quite a long time.
yeah, kona. I'm happy for him ukuthi ubuyile yabo. I don't think ukuthi he's a bad player at all, at all. Unawo ama-qualities wakhe in his team, leadership, sometimes stabilizing the midfield when we have to defend, yabo. But today bowubona ukuthi he's rusty. He looked like player mpethe lingazange lidlale since last season, yabo. So maybe slowly uzo get back into rhythm yakhe. And yeah, man, what I
And
like about Coach Ward overall is yabona Coach Ward, his biggest strength, in my opinion, is to read a game. Yabo, read the game and see ukuthi okay la akhambi kahle. I need to do this in order to change the game ukuthi ibe ngale ndlela which will favor us. And he does that consistently every game. Yabo. So that's his biggest strength. Yabona ukufaka uMakgopa no Apolis, players who add a dimension in terms of like stretching it defense, a low block, finding that creative a pass, a loophole pass, yabona. Nje those type of players nje ngempela, to bring them in this type of type of game, to have that eye ukubona ukuthi okay now I need these players ngalesikhathi lesi. I feel like that's Coach Ward's biggest strength, yabo. So overall, man, credit to
I
the
think
Pirates for winning the game.
I
Um,
think
yeah, man.
I think you know what he just said supports what I said earlier on with him. He always finds a way. I understand. He always finds a way. You're right when you're saying he knows how to read the game because of even if you can look at the substitutions Awenzile was like, you know what, if I'm taking out Umbule, let me bring in Orele, you know. So now you have your Muremi, you have your Apolis, you have your Rele here, and just look at what Rele did immediately back to Gumfaga Lima Pagatin. Look at the defense splitting pass that he gave Hoto so Hoto can assist. So it's I think it's what differentiates or it's what separates him from Uyoze because of it's a thing you okay Uyoze Uyoze is a good coach. I'm not trying to disrespect Uyoze. I'm not trying to you know take credit away from him. But what's the difference between the two is Wadun always finds a way. Yeah, I understand. He knows how to read the game well. I mean, don't get me wrong. He was a brilliant coach, brilliant coach. But at times last season, if Orlando Pirates be faced in a situation they're facing a corner, chances are it can bring a pelana on nil. You understand? It's these games as hinder the Pirates from actually pushing for the title or actually winning for the title because of now the drop points in games like this. You understand? They drop points in games whereby they're not supposed to drop points. But you have Ward, you know what? He's gonna go away with 3 points. No Mikanjan. He's gonna and what I like again is you know something that's different that what he's doing in comparison to yours is I think the team spirit uthando within those guys because of I'm looking at Watu celebrates 80% of our goals wamajita. What do I mean? Meaning to celebrate. Jumpy, go, coaching box. He goes right straight down to your corner. You understand? You go and it's things that you like to see. You understand? A coach being that connected to our players. Some people can say, why men as but it shows you what he's trying to build. You understand? A coach is already kitchen celebrates and he does that consistently. So it shows just the connectedness that that guy has with a player work. And he's man is building something has something special. Hence at the beginning of the video I said, you know what, where I come from into young you know. And I wanna talk about this player, man, Umrem, man, with him. I want to give credit to whoever that spotted that guy and said, you know what, let's go and get that guy. Why I'm saying so, Ntlantla, if you can look at EGA Yagamureni, kuwonke amayears wakhe ku-Amazulu, and look at EGA yakhe Orlando Pirates with the games that he's played this season. For mhlambe director or whoever who said, you know what, let's go and get that guy with the numbers that he had all of those years and say, you know what, let's give him a shot. It's bambalwa abantu abangenza lento le. It's only brave people that can do this, because of omunye umuntu can be like, you know what, this guy spent 3 seasons kuAmaZulu again on a more than 10 GA, but now he's going to be wearing an Orlando Pirates jersey, and you look at what he's doing now and you're like, wow, whoever that spotted that guy, brave.
Yeah, none different environment. Okay, you come into Orlando Pirates, an environment where a good environment. It's a winner. You come in, you score a couple of goals, and the dressing room motivates you, and you build momentum from there. I feel like man, with momentum, because you look at the way he started the season, didn't really start well, and then it's from there finally, and when he scored that brace, that was the moment I am uplift, because you do sometimes as a player you do need those moments. You do need that game as uphakamisa, yabo. And having my teammates, and what I like about Pirates is the balance of the age leadership in that team. I feel like Leon Doleo, it's something that's really important in football. It's the balance of the age and the leadership has to be there, yabo. And for a player right now to come into an Orlando Pirates environment, it's easier for you to have bad games, but ungafoli, ungakrambuli, uqhubeke being yourself, uze ube yabo to that next level. So I'm happy for him, Fritz. I'm happy for him. Great player, Fritz.
One question.
Great player.
I wanna ask you this question. Sorry. I wanna ask you this question, and I need you to give me a straight answer, not a straight answer. Can Orlando Pirates win the league this season? Are you guys winning it this season?
Yes. Ngizokutshela why.
Why?
Asikho kwi-CAF. So we have time to focus on e-league. Right now, okay, kuzoze calling Black Label final, that's one game. And then for the rest of the season, it's just the league and the Nedbank Cup. It's home soil. We don't have to travel to go to Abo Egypt. A week later, now we have to play league. Now we have to play Nedbank Cup. No, it's just home soil. Like South Africa, we're playing league and Nedbank Cup, because we know with the Sundowns is gonna go all the way to at least semi-final for the CAF, yabo. So why not ukuthi thina singayibuild the momentum when we don't have CAF football, yabo? So which is why I'm saying yes, so we win the league. It's my hot take.
Nah, that's all that I wanted to hear, man. I think that's all that I have from my side, man. I don't know if you still want to add anything.
Yeah, next. Just congratulations to Ibarania for the win. That's it.
Yeah, man. Give credit to its due, man. Guys, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, please tell us what you think about today's video, guys. Don't be scared to write down comments. You know, the views are there, the views are picking up, but people are not commenting. Talk to us, guys, so that we can hear what's in about this whole thing, man. You know, it's a boy and I'm signing out, man.
Hola, it's your boy in Chance. I'll see you on the next one. Hola.
Sure.